Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to know what the brand new M2 sounds like with the premier exhaust from AWE? I'm going to show you both their Catback and Track Edition. Let's see what it's like. All right, guys, so let's walk through this. Now, I recently had the opportunity to install both the brand new AWE Catback and Track Edition exhaust on this brand new M2. This can make a dramatic difference in the sound of your car. Now, one of the few places I ever hear complaints about this car is sometimes it's a little too quiet, and whether your valves are open or closed, sometimes you want a little bit deeper, a little bit more aggressive sound. Now, AWE has put out their brand new exhaust options for the M2, and I walked through all of those installs. So make sure to check out the install so you can do it yourself, but this is the comparison video. This is the before and after. I'm gonna walk you through the OEM, the Catback, and the Track Edition all on the same car, with the only thing that's changing is the Catback and the Track Edition, so you get a really realistic sense of what it's going to sound like. Now, we all know the Track Edition is going to sound a little bit louder, but what does it actually sound like? All right, let me walk you through with the OEM. Let's get started there. All right, y'all, the comparison's all done, and man, what a great setup for the brand new G87 M2. You know, with the complaint that maybe it sounds a little too tame for being an M car, this is a great way to solve that challenge. Now, you've got their Catback exhaust from AWE. You still preserve that valve functionality. So if you want to be a little bit quieter, it's pretty close to efficient mode in stock. It's definitely a deeper note if you can hear it, a little more growly. It doesn't make it exactly the same, but it definitely improves even in efficient mode. But then if you go into that Sport Plus mode, get your valves starting to come open, it is much more aggressive than stock. It's a deeper note and much more aggressive. Now, of course, if you listen to the new Track Edition, where you drop out that whole center box and it's basically straight piped almost, man, it is extra spicy. It's going to be spicy full time for you, and it is definitely louder, it's deeper, and it's more aggressive. So really what it's going to come down to is, what are you going to want on your car? Is it a daily driver? Is it a track car? It's really what you're looking for to customize and have that sound that perhaps you always wanted in your M2. I'm really grateful to premiere this for AWE and bring this out. This is their brand new release for the G87 M2, and I'm really excited. Now, if you want to figure out how to install these, make sure to check out the installation videos. This is just the sound comparison. I have full installs so that you can follow along and do the same on your G87 M2. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It would make a genuine difference to my channel, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next project.